Hello everybody, welcome to Vandy's World. Today we are going to prepare something very healthy made out of red aval. Yes, this is also known as rice flakes or poha made out of red rice or matta ari, which is from Kerala. Now this is a Kerala dish that is aval nenachadu, and I'm also going to show you how to make aval laddu. Red aval is very healthy as it is made from unpolished rice, and it is also rich in fiber and has 20 milligrams of iron in 100 grams of rice flakes. Now some of the health benefits are there on the screen. It improves metabolism and it also is very good for our immunity during this pandemic, and also good for our bones. I'm also using black jaggery because again jaggery is a very good option instead of sugar, as it also has a lot of health benefits and also good for immunity. So let's start preparing the first recipe, aval nenachadu. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee to fry the dry fruits required for the sweet aval. Just lightly fry until golden brown. Once fried, remove it and keep it aside. We will add it later. Now let's add in half a cup of grated coconut into this pan and lightly fry. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This will give you a lovely flavor and aroma. Some people also add jeera powder and ginger powder. If you want to, you can add. I'm not adding. Now I'm adding around 1.5 cup of melted jaggery. That is the black jaggery I've melted with little bit of water and I've strained it to remove the dirt. So I'm just adding in the melted jaggery into this coconut mixture to just boil and become thick. I'm adding a pinch of salt because any sweet dish you do, you need to add a pinch of salt. Jaggery and coconut mixture has become thick, not too dry, it is slightly getting thick. So at this consistency, I'm going to add in the red aval. Different method of making this aval I'll show you in a different video. But in case you want it to be soft, just add in a little bit of water or tender coconut water before you add into the oven. Rest it for 5 minutes, it will become lightly soft. By then your jaggery mixture should be very thick, like it should be like dry. Then just mix it into the oven, you will have your aval nenachadu. But this method I have not added any water, it's just the mixture. So added the dry fruits, give it a good mix, and here you have your aval. Leave it to rest for like 15 minutes and post which you can serve it as an evening snack. So enjoy this delicious recipe. Let's go into the next one. The second dish for today is aval laddu or rice flakes laddu. So it's very simple. All you need to do is keep aside a little bit of the prepared mixture, grind it coarsely into a mixer. So using a blender, I have ground the prepared aval mixture. It should be coarse. You can add a little bit of ghee and fried nuts into it to have an extra crunch. Now to make laddus, all you need to do is take a little bit of the prepared mixture and shape them into round balls or laddus. So here it is, our prepared aval laddus. I'm just garnishing it with some nuts on top just for decoration. You can store this for up to a week in an airtight container. Since these laddus are really healthy, eat them and enjoy it. It is also good for Weight Watchers. There's nothing to worry about. It is also very good for our immunity and rich in iron and very good for the bones. So don't hesitate to give it to your kids as well. I hope all of you liked this video. Do prepare this recipe at home. Enjoy these two healthy dishes, that is aval nenachadu and aval laddus. They are both very tasty to be eaten as evening snacks. Please hit on the like button if you liked this video. Leave your comments below to let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for notifications of all my videos. Share this video with your family and friends. I will see you with more exciting recipes. Until then, take care. Bye bye.